This is Disney's Contemporary, Queen Suite in Lake Buena Vista, Florida. This was room 4231. This is in the main tower, and it's a theme park view. And those rooms say they can sleep 5 adults, but they have either one king bed and a day bed or two queens and a day bed. The room we were in could sleep 5. They also come with a coffee and tea station and a beverage cooler. That is not a mini fridge. It doesn't get anywhere near cold enough for food, but it will keep drinks a little chillier than room temperature. The Incredibles theming, like using imagery from the cartoon characters on the monorail instead of the L train or the Metrolev from the Pixar films, or the super suits being hung in the closet is cute, but it's not in your face Disney. You really only get that when you look over the internal atrium down to the restaurant called Chef Mickey's, which can get louder in this suite. Also, leaving the iconic A-frame main tower, it's an easy walk to get to the Magic Kingdom theme park with your own security screening section, and then leaving the Magic Kingdom in the evenings being the very first stop on the internal monorail resort line system was very neat. And there's a balcony for you to watch fireworks if you are not in the park at night. See the link below for Disney's resort page and consider clicking the like button if you enjoy touring this room.